Today, we're diving into the CTLAMP LMP136 projector lamp assembly, designed for a range of Sanyo and Christie models, including the PLC-WM5500, PLC-XM150, and PLC-ZM5000 series. This assembly boasts an original 330-watt bulb housed in a compatible casing, promising optimal performance and longevity. CTLAMP, a seasoned manufacturer since 2008, emphasizes quality and affordability. The POA LMP136 is no exception, offering a robust lifespan of up to 2,500 hours in normal mode or extended to 3,000 hours in economy mode. This longevity is crucial for both home theaters and professional environments where uninterrupted viewing is essential. Installation is straightforward, aligning perfectly with compatible models without the need for adjustments. The 365-day warranty underscores confidence and durability, while a 30-day refund policy ensures peace of mind for buyers. The TO maximize the lamp's lifespan. Regular maintenance is advised. Keeping the air filter clean prevents heat buildup, which can degrade bulb performance over time. Additionally, allowing the projector to cool properly after use helps maintain optimal operating conditions. For those considering a replacement lamp for their Sanyo or Christie projector, CTLAMP's POA LMP136 stands out for its reliability and competitive pricing. Whether you're upgrading your home theater or outfitting a conference room, this assembly promises to deliver vibrant, clear projections for your viewing pleasure. Remember, maintaining proper projector care not only extends the life of your lamp, but also ensures consistent performance for years to come. If you're in the market for a dependable replacement lamp, the CTLAMP POA LMP136 deserves serious consideration.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.